Okay, girls, so now we continue our lesson, and the second exercise for you girls, it is work in a micro group, and you should present your project, mini project, and analyze your project and answer for 3 questions. What is the theme of our lesson today? From the brainstorming, you know, and what difficulties arise modern teenagers for choose your future career. Okay, and what influence external or internal influence for choosing this team's problem of choosing career. So please go on your mini project, and now you should answer for these questions. What is the theme of our lesson today, girls? Okay, so first question. What is the theme of our lesson today, Janatовна?
Today is our theme of our lesson is about job and profession.
Okay, choosing future career. Okay, that's good. And second question. What is the difficulties arise of modern teenagers when they choosing their career? So it may be external or internal. Okay, who wants? But
in my opinion, teenagers has a lot of problems of choosing their future career. For example, their parents can give advice, but they maybe don't agree with their choice.
Mind, yeah?
Yes.
Mind, opinion,
and their dreams. For example, when one teenager will want to be a doctor, for example, yes, but his parents don't agree with his dream, and it is problematic.
it is problem, yes, it is external problem. What do you know about internal problem?
So
It means problem with you, with your dreams maybe, with your wishes.
I think that doing choice, it is difficult for us because we are teenagers and we are just we don't know for example who you, yes, who are you
Exactly.
Yes.
Okay, it's very difficult, yes, for teens. Okay, take a seat. Okay, girls, and now you should listen one article about dangerous situation, and then you should analyze this problem and present one mini project. Okay? Okay.
Night, with heads of joining arms, there was deep silence everywhere. All of a sudden, I was awake by noise of footsteps outside. It appeared as if the people were running in the street. I got up and peeped down from the window. I came to know that the house of my friend Roshan was ablaze. The whole building.
Okay, girls. Okay, for example, you will be a TV or radio journalist. You girls will be an IT programmist, and you girls will be a fireworkers. And you should presentate and decide these dangerous problems with your profession. Okay? So, it's understand for you?
Yes.
Okay, please go on. So what's your idea for this idea? System. Yes. Okay, that's good. Good job. invited into your group some role. First of all, it is expert. Second, 2 speakers, and the third, it is a timekeeper. And you should present your mini project and analyze it, and give us some insight from this dangerous situation. Okay, so that's.
It's our project, and we want to see you overcoming of fire.
And this is the plan of the house, and if in the home will be dirty area or the fire, our anti-system automatic call the 911 and call the fire workers.
2 groups give to us their mini projects, and I want to say my opinion. I want to give this smile to second group, this group, to red group, because I think that they did really amazing project, and and my recommendation to this group, I want you to correct your pronunciation. That's all.
Okay. Okay, girls, you should do some exercise at the computers, and it's a website learningapps.org. This exercise from about professions and some competitions. Okay, please come to me and sit down from these chairs at the computer. Okay, and now we will do some feedback through the method of the restaurant. You should write your opinion, your feedback from me, okay, and answer for this, continue this sentence. I would eat more of this, most of all I liked, I almost digested, I ate, and please add. So I give you some piece of paper, and you should answer for this. Papers for you, please. 4 and 4 for you. Give answer for me. Feedback from the method restaurant, please, your answer, your opinion.
I would eat more of this method, like audio. Most of all, I liked the project. I almost dejected the teens difficult with job choice. I ate answer to questions. Please add the me dates.
Okay, that's good. And please, who wants? Please, Zantia.
I would eat more of this piece of lesson. Most of all, I liked the menu of sin. I almost digested a lot of useful information about professions. I ate good emotions by methods in this lesson. Please add time and a lot of new words.
Okay, thank you for your feedback. Okay, please, Ahmajan.
Okay, I would eat more of this work with computer, use ICT in our lesson. And most of all I like it project in other professions, and I almost digested with creative works such as brainstorming, and I ate more evidence about choice of profession. Please add grammar works.
Grammar works, okay. I hear you, okay? Please.
was this doing mini projects about profession. Most of all, I liked the evaluation opinions as a group.
That's good.
I almost digested aims of professions. I ate information of fire, how they can be dangerous, and please add external teenagers problem.
That's it. Thank you for your opinion. Please, Adira.
I would eat more of this at some kind of professions. Most of all, I like method of teaching, so I didn't know this before. I almost digest of evolution through giving a lot of comments. I ate of the teenagers' problems and choosing future profession. Please add more grammar exercises.
Okay, thank you. Okay, yeah.
Okay, I will do more of this like strategies that you did for us. And second, most of all, I liked work with new vocabulary, and I expanded my vocabulary more than this.
That's good.
Third, I almost digested about more professions all over the world. I ate, for example, more work with group, and that we have a good idea for.
Good idea.
And please add more interesting exercises, practical.
Okay. Thank you. Who wants? Please.
I will give more of new strategies and methods of teaching. Most of all, I liked useful words, so I expanded my vocabulary. I almost digested new creative decisions of some problems. And I ate how it's important to choose right profession for yourself.
Good idea.
Please add more practical science and something like that.
Thank you for your recommendation. Okay, who wants? What please?
I will eat more of this method of use ICT. Most of all, I like it mini project. I almost digested of aims of professional. I eat a lot of information about fire. Please add some interesting game.
Thank you, girls, for your activity works today. And in our lesson, we used some many methods. For example, brainstorming and evaluation via command, mutual evaluation, observation, and we used the critical thinking from the decided solution at dangerous situations. That's good. Good for you, good for our lesson. Okay, thank you a lot of, and goodbye. See you at the previous lesson. Okay.